Welcome to our video on how to sell conversions on a deal. What is a conversion? Simply put, a conversion is a parts kit that gets installed on a vehicle. In this case, this vehicle inventory record has a wheelchair accessibility conversion, which is reflected in the conversion and total vehicle price. If a parts kit is related to a vehicle inventory, then the vehicle cannot be sold without the conversion. When you add this vehicle to a deal, the conversion gets automatically transferred over. A conversion can be installed in a customer's vehicle by creating a sales hub with the record type Equipment Only. The customer's vehicle will be recorded to the deal as a service vehicle in this scenario. To sell a conversion on an ordered vehicle not yet in your inventory, use a vehicle master record. To add a parts kit on a customer's vehicle or a vehicle being sold on a deal, it needs to be added as an aftermarket item, which we'll go over in the next video. Thanks for watching.